Good morning. Welcome back with Draw with Pecs, and today we are going to be doing another animal. And today we are going to be doing the letter D. So tell me, what animals did you think of that begin with the letter D? We are doing a dog with a dummy. Okay, so how I want you to think about your doggy is we're going to start over here with a nice big question mark. So big head like that. And in line with the top of that, come down slightly like that. Can you see your question mark? And then from that point, I want you to do another big circle. And come in. Kind of looks like Snoopy now. Everybody know who Snoopy is? And then we're gonna do, so this is gonna be his nose. And here, so a little bit hanging over, I'm gonna do a nice, big, shiny nose. Did you know that there are over 340 different breeds of dogs? So do you guys have any pets? Do you like dogs? And we're gonna split this, so that's gonna turn it, so where the bottom of this diamond nose is, that's going to form one part of his lip, and then that's going to form the other part, like so. And then we're going to do, so where this line is, that's going to form one eye. And then we're going to do the other eye. You can see where we're going with this? That's going to form one eyebrow, and that's going to be the other eyebrow. And then for his ears, we're going to do coming up like there, so two lines kind of coming out slightly, and a straight line or curved straight line, and then bringing it down like that. That's going to form one of his ears. And then on the other side, we're going to go up and straight line again, coming and then coming down. Like so. And then in the middle, we're just going to give him some hair. Yeah? And then in the mouth, so normally they have big teeth and they have a massive tongue sticking out or something like that, but today we're going to give him a big dummy. So I want you to do a nice big circle around there. So this is the size of your dummy, so it could be as big or as small as you want it to be. And then just from one side, I want you to do a thin line going all the way around to give it a bit of a 3D shape. And then I want you to do the handle. So I want you to do one dot there and one dot there, quite spaced apart. And then I want you to do another curve and join them together like that. And that's going to be the ring for the dummy. And what I'm going to do for his mouth, I'm just going to take it in because he's smiling. We want it to be a smiley doggy with the dummy in his mouth. And maybe we can even have his tongue sticking out. And then with the tongue sticking out, we need a few splashes of saliva. Blah, blah, blah. And then on the nose, I just want you to do two dents, because that's his nostrils, that's where he's going to be breathing from. Did you know that dogs generally have really wet noses? And it helps them with smell. And their sense of smell is a gazillion times stronger than ours. And they're very good at that. They're very affectionate creatures. And that's when doggies lick. So eyes, same rules. So circle, big circle, little circle. I think I did two little circles there. We'll fix that on the outline. That is his neck. And now every dog has a collar. So we're going to give him a collar. So I want you to do a circle around his neck and then do another circle around his neck to making it look like he's having a, and then from here, dummy. And then I'm gonna do his nose. See, I made it a little bit bigger. Curve this down. From the center of your diamond, bring this back up. One, two, three. This collar goes all the way around, like so. Just give his dog collar something. Then we do his ears. And then we do his other ear. His hairline. And then we're going to do his body. Okay, so we're going to do the back. His tail, his front foot, his belly coming across. And his other foot. Like so. And then you can just add in his, well, I'm going to add in his spots. You can add in his spots if you want to. There you have it, your dog with a dummy. Hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Tomorrow we're going to be doing E, and make sure you have your thinking caps on so you can think about the things or animals that begin with letter E. Thanks a million. Don't forget to give me a like or a comment below and let me know how you felt that went.